Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platform, which is TeamViewer and VNC Connect. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms to help you decide which of these remote desktop would be a better option for your business. So to get started with quick analysis, TeamViewer in 2025 is a powerful all-in-one remote desktop tool known for its user-friendly interface, fast connection speed, and a wide featured set like a file transfer, remote printing, multi-monitor support, and a mobile access. Excellent for both IT teams and business users, though the pricing remains high, especially for commercial use. Still, its use and a strong security make it go-to for many professionals. So VNC Connect, on the other hand, offer a more technical and a customizable experience. It's lightweight, affordable, and a great for users who prioritize encryption and a cross-platform support. However, it may require more setup knowledge and doesn't much like TeamViewers in terms of out-of-the-box features or intuitive design. And here's a better conclusion. So choose TeamViewers if you want a polished, feature-rich remote access solution just for work, and pick VNC Connect if you are a tech savvy, want more control, and prefer a cost-effective, secure tools for long-term remote access. And that's it.